In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create audiobooks using ElevenLabs AI. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into the process. The first step is setting up your workspace. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your ElevenLabs account and navigate over to the Projects section. Here you'll see an option to start a new long-form project that's specifically designed for books or audiobooks. This is your canvas where all the magic begins. Once you've got your workspace set up, it's time to import your manuscript. You can either upload your book file, which could be an EPUB, PDF, or a simple TXT document. Alternatively, if your manuscript isn't too lengthy, you can simply paste your text directly into the editor. The interface is quite user-friendly and will automatically parse your text into structured chapters or sections, making it easy for you to manage. Now that your text is in place, we can jump into assigning voices and pacing. This is where you really get to add a personal touch. Browse through the extensive voice library and select a consistent narrator's voice for the main text. This character will guide your listeners through the whole book. Once you've picked a voice, you can adjust the settings like stability, clarity, and even style exaggeration. Feel free to tweak these parameters to match the tone that suits your genre best. If your book includes dialogue, you can isolate specific paragraphs from your text and assign distinct voices to different characters. It adds depth to your audiobook and keeps your audience engaged. Next up is refining the delivery and breaks. You really want to make sure that the pacing feels natural, so take the time to review the parsed text. Look for places where you can add explicit line breaks, paragraph separations, and make sure punctuation marks are used correctly. These small adjustments go a long way in helping the narrator breathe naturally, ensuring that structural transitions sound smooth. Remember, you want your audiobook to flow seamlessly, almost like a conversation. Once you are happy with how everything sounds, it's time to generate and download your audiobook. Click on the Generate button to render your chapters. After this step, take a moment to listen through the tracks. This is your opportunity to make any fine-tuning edits to pacing or delivery. You really want to have that studio-quality sound, so don't rush through this part. Once you're satisfied, you can export your finalized audio files, either by individual chapter or as a compiled masterpiece, which is ready for publishing. And there you have it. You've successfully created an audiobook using ElevenLabs AI. It's a simple process, but it allows for so much creativity and personal expression. I'm excited for you to try this out. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.